Traveling is the greatest joy in life, but packing for the trip inevitably becomes a headache. You may be a pro traveler, but are you a pro packer? Let's see how many of these tips and tricks do you know and follow. And if you're a first time traveler, then you have found the solution to all of your packing troubles. This episode of 5-Minute Travel Tips, we will guide you through the intricacies of being a wizard at packing. We are here to help you streamline your packing so that you can find everything in the blink of an eye. Rather than unloading all of the information at you at once, let's move in simple steps. The New York Times suggests a very efficient way to ensure packing just the right amount of clothes. Use the 5-4-3-2-1 rule for a week-long trip. Now, what does this mean? Limit yourself to no more than 5 sets of socks and underwear, 4 tops, 3 bottoms, 2 pairs of shoes, and 1 hat. The list should be adjusted to suit your needs. Always start with gauging how many outfits and things you're planning on taking for the trip. Having a few extras is absolutely essential. But don't pack all of your wardrobe in the anticipation that you might need it. Yes, I'm talking about that 5-year-old shirt and that 3-year-old dress that has gone completely out of fashion. No, you will not need it. I do understand the urge to pack 3 outfits for one day to take 1,000 pictures for your Instagram. But trust me, once you're there, you won't feel like changing too many times. Let's be reasonable and pack only what is needed. Always remember, comfort is king. You need to pack according to the destination you have chosen, and don't forget to check the weather there before deciding on clothes. You don't want to pack all of those pretty dresses only to shiver to death on a cold evening. After deciding on the outfits you want to carry, try folding them in the most compact way possible. Summer clothes tend to be thin and can be folded into lean piles. On the other hand, winter clothes can be bulky and require extra space. Items like jackets and sweaters can be folded into neat rolls so that the space that they take is reduced. Try to fold them in such a way that they don't unfold as soon as you keep them in the bag. Folding them inside out and holding the fold together with the help of the open ends is a trick that comes in handy ever so often. It's also better to pack your clothes according to when you'd need them. Sometimes it might be so that you would want to decide at the moment, but packing according to the day will help you access things in your suitcase without having to rummage through the entire bag. It will save both time and effort. Now let's talk about the number one necessity which you absolutely cannot overlook: the carry-on bag or purse. No matter how long the journey is or how long the trip is for, always have a small backpack or a purse to carry your primary items like medications, lip balm, hand sanitizer, earplugs, or even the phone charger. These things should always be available at your fingertips. It makes them more accessible and hassle-free. After packing the outfits and keeping a carry-on ready, let's come to the toiletries and other bathroom essentials. Always pack a small kit or a bag with all of these things. You don't want to unpack your whole suitcase on the first day in the quest to find that one toothbrush. You can carry shaving gels, moisturizers, or other such prerequisites that you cannot go without. A kit also saves other stuff from getting ruined in case of a shampoo explosion in your bag. You can also put your accessories and jewelry in a clear bag and keep them in the kit. Shopping for souvenirs and other local items can be the sole purpose of a trip. But don't leave out on packing important things in an attempt to make room for the things that you might buy. Try packing a small foldable bag to carry the items that you shopped for. A tote bag or even a cotton backpack can be a great option to store to bring back souvenirs for your friends and family. Just follow the 5 pillars of packing: accessibility, pack if needed, fill all of the space, carry extra bag for shopping, and always have a separate kit for toiletries. These essential pointers will infallibly help you in packing. Remember to not be a Hermione and only learn these theoretically, but practice these tricks in reality and become a true wizard at packing. Nevertheless, you may also make mistakes and learn along the way, just like Ron did in our favorite Harry Potter. Thank you for listening to 5-Minute Travel Tips. We will see you next week.